How to see who shared your reels on Instagram. Hello everybody, in today's video we are going to teach you how you can do it. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. The first thing you can do is open up your Instagram application, and once you open it up you should be finding this interface. Now from here what you can do is you may head over to the heart icon at the very top. This is one of the easiest way you can look out who shared your reel, and there you should be finding a notification of mentions. So just go ahead and tap on mentions, and then once you tap on mentions here, it shows like who has shared your reels like this. Right now this person has shared my reel. This is one of the method you can follow up. Apart from that, you can head over to the main account, your profile page, and once you are here, the next method you can use is look for professional dashboard. So if your professional dashboard is already turned on, you can head over the reel, and once you head over to the reel, we have this view insights option. So just go ahead and tap on it, and then once you tap on view insights, we have the share icon right here. It shows the number of shares, but other than that we have this interactions profile activity. But apart from that, does not show us who shared by showing up the name. But this is basically what you can do if you want to look out who shared your reel on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.